Let's explore further into the world of knots with the knot of the week. This week, we're going to have a look at the Alpine Butterfly Bend. The video you're watching is a part of the curriculum at Knot School. I hope you enjoy it. The Alpine Butterfly Bend belongs to a category of knots called bend knots, which are specifically designed to join the ends of two ropes. The Alpine Butterfly Bend is essentially the bend version of the Alpine Butterfly Loop. To tie the Alpine Butterfly Bend, you first temporarily hold the two ends of the ropes together, then wind the rope around your hand so that the temporary joint is by your fingertips, and go around again. Next, fold the joint back and then up under the other ropes. Finally, push the knot off your hand and tighten it to achieve the appearance of the Alpine Butterfly, and then release the temporary joint. Alternatively, you can tie the butterfly bend using the same methods for tying the Alpine Butterfly Loop, by treating the two ends as if they were a single bite. It's crucial to tie this knot correctly, as errors can result in similar looking but insecure bends. This bend is primarily used for joining two ropes that are roughly similar in size, but it's also suitable for connecting lines of different diameters or materials. One of the key advantages is its reliability. It can be untied even after being heavily loaded. Historically, the Alpine Butterfly Loop, which is the origin of this bend, was first introduced in A. A. Berger's 1914 publication, Rope and Its Uses. When it comes to performance with different materials, the butterfly bend, much like the Alpine Butterfly Loop, is known for holding well, even with slippery synthetic ropes. The Alpine Butterfly Bend is only mentioned as the Alpine Butterfly Loop in the Ashley Book of Knots.